Hi, welcome back to Massejli channel on YouTube. As you can see in the template, there are words in the parentheses that we replace with the content according to their type. For example, we replace title with the message title, message with the message content, date with the date of the message was posted, and link with the message link in case you use the API to link to your website. This template is used to send a message and campaigns after activation. When activating the chatbot and collecting information from the contact, you will execute specific command by calling a link that contains these instructions, such as sending an email. The default value is http localhost webhook.php. If you don't care about this, you can leave it blank. Default language. Massejli can distinguish the contact's language through the words that the contact writes and not through the letters, only because there are common characters between the languages. Never enter a language that you did not actually use in the list, as this may affect how well your system works. Selecting the option to send a list numbers by default. On the page of sending message, the option to send to a list of numbers will be activated by default, useful for the speed of work with the interface. Session duration. It's the period during which the caller does not speak with the number. We consider the new speech as a session to collect new information for the chatbot and ignore the old information. The default value is 360 seconds or 6 minutes. Menu icon, the emojis at the beginning of every line in the list. And chatbot code. It's the code that if the contact sends it, it's end the conversation, but the chatbot will show its main list when the contact sends any other word. Its default value is 999. The bot stop code. The contact who wants to talk to a normal person can stop the chatbot and the list by sending this code. This is how you talk to him instead of the bot. The default value for the bot stop code is XXX. The menu interval time. When the contact speaks with the number for the first time, the list will appear to him, so as not to disturb him by showing it with every message he sends, because a period is required if he does not speak with the number and show it to him again. This period in seconds is preferably this number. Auto-replay delay. For the bot to work like a normal person and the contact does not respond quickly, it must be delayed by a few seconds. You can set it to 0 so that it is never delayed. Menu return command. When the visitor sends a sublist command and wants to reorder the main list for the list, he sends this code. By default is 000. Don't forget to click on the save button to save the settings, and don't forget to press like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.